Hi, these are more examples of how I turn right in a bus. When I approach a right turn, I stay as close to the right of my lane as I can, without crossing to the wrong side of the road. I bring the front of the bus in line with the middle of the road I'm turning into, and as I make the turn I look in my right mirror and, if required, my left front corner throughout the turn. When I'm turning right and there's a median strip or island in the middle of the road, I only turn the wheel when I see the end of the median strip or island in relation to my back wheel in my right mirror. When turning right in a dedicated right turn lane, as I enter the lane, I ensure I'm positioned properly in the lane by looking in both mirrors. When I have multiple lanes to select from, as mentioned in earlier videos, I position myself in the left of the right turn lanes. With all of my turns, there's no need for me to drift to the left at any stage.